Who could say no to a simply outstanding truck like this superb 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500? A little cash can go a long way, and in this wonderful vehicle, you'll get great value for your money at a price nowhere near the cost of a new one. Features include a DVD entertainment system, OnStar, Bluetooth wireless, and a trailer hitch receiver. The sunroof and privacy glass only make it more appealing. Take it for a test drive today.
Beechmont Ford, we're a friend in the community. Stop in today. We're easy to find, easy to deal with. Off of I-275 at 65A Beechmont Avenue.